Are the soft bones. Tendons are the connectivity tissues between the muscles and the bones, and ligaments connects the bone to bone together. And in an adult human being, there are 206 bones, but when a baby born, he or she has 300 bones, and when he or she grown up, it will become 206. Means the bones connected with each other. Okay. Next we did is the main functions of the skeletal system. What are the main functions of the skeletal system? The bones of the skeletal forms a body framework. Our body framework is made up of skeletal system. Basically, the framework gives the shape and support your body. It helps in the stand upright. It protects your delicate organs like lungs, your heart are protected by this skeletal system. And the bones and the muscles are attached together and helps you in the movement. Then we did, our skeletal system is divided into two parts, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. This darkened portion is shown appendicular skeleton, and this darker portion shows the axial skeletal system. Okay. So what we did in this, what we have in the axial skeletal, skull, spines and ribcage, and there are total 80 bones in the axial skeleton. And then we did appendicular skeleton. So there are 106 bones in the appendicular skeleton, and it consists of pelvis, your shoulder, and appendages like arms and legs are called appendages. Then we did what is the names of the bones. Basically, your finger bones are called metacarpals, your hand bones are called carpals, then your front arm bone is called radius, your back arm bone is called ulna, then your upper arm is called humerus, then skull, this is called clavicle, these are called the ribs which protects your heart and lungs, then where these ribs are attached, these are called sternum. Then we did what is vertebrae is your backbone. Then we did your hip bone, this is called ilium. Then your upper leg bone is called femur, your front knee bone is called patella, then your back leg bone is called fibula, front leg bone is called tibia, then tarsals and the metatarsals. Then the next point is what is your next is what is present inside our bones. So blood vessels, bone marrow, cartilage, air pockets and hard bones. All you know, our bones are hard and protects our delicate organs. Then what are blood vessels? Basically the blood vessels flow the blood throughout your body. There are arteries and veins present in your bones. Arteries pass the oxygen throughout your to the cells, and the veins passes the carbon dioxide throughout your body. Okay, these are green in color. Then we did bone marrow. What is bone marrow? Bone marrow made the cells in your body, each and every cell made by the bone marrow, red blood cells and white blood cells. Now let us discuss in next PPT blood vessels. What are the blood vessels? Blood vessels flow the blood throughout the body. हमारी body में blood को flow कराना, that is the functions of blood vessels. Then what are arteries? Arteries are red in color. आपकी body में आपको blood vessels आप easily देख भी सकते हैं अपने arms में, hands में, legs में. So you can see your arteries. These are red in color and they transport oxygen to the each and every cell of your body. Then what are the veins? Veins are green in color. Veins green color की होती हैं. They flow the carbon dioxide throughout your body. आपकी body से carbon dioxide को return करना, that is the function of veins. Okay. Then we did what is bone marrow. Bone marrow is a spongy substance which made the each and every cell of your body. So there are two types of basically blood cells, red blood cells and white blood cells. What are red blood cells? Red blood cells carry the oxygen and pass to the each and every cell to your body. Those who did not mark their attendance, please mark your attendance who joined now. Then there is a hemoglobin present in your blood which shows the red color of your blood, and it lives for 100 to 120 days in your body. So its function is red blood cells to carry the oxygen and pass to the each and every cell or tissue of your body. Then what are white blood cells? Basically white blood cells fight with the disease, with the viruses, with the bacteria which enter in your body, and they lives for 13 to 20 days. And if you take vitamins and minerals properly in your diet, they will made quickly. ये जल्दी से जल्दी बनते हैं आपकी बॉडी में और ये 13 से 20 days तक जिंदा रहते हैं. Okay, and they fight with the blood cells basically fight with the disease and they lives for 13 to 20 days in your body. Then we did what is cartilages. Cartilages are the flexible connectivity tissues which connects your bones basically, which connects your ear, nose. These are the soft bones also. Then the air pockets reduce the body mass. जो air pockets होती हैं वो आपके body mass को क्या करती हैं, lighter बनाती हैं. Then next is bones. What are the bones basically made up of? Bones are made up of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. आपकी जो बोन्स होती हैं वो कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट एंड कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट से बनी होती हैं. मिनरल्स लाइक कैल्शियम, फॉस्फोरस, विटामिन डी आर एसेंशियल फॉर मेंटेनिंग हेल्दी बोन्स. आपकी जो बॉडी है उसको कैल्शियम, फॉस्फोरस, विटामिन डी चाहिए है फॉर द healthy functioning of the bones. So your bones are basically made up of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate which you get from the milk.
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप.